All right, guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about putting stuff in AET. So, real quickly, just going in, log in, click login, www.theaet.com. Your chapter is PA0134, username. Your username will be a capital letter of your first name, a capital letter of your last name, and the rest of your last name. So, here I'm using Will Orwigs. And if I can get it right here, it will just be the same thing for your password. When you click log in, a couple things, the screen will come up. If you're putting in, you have not put in any records yet, you're going to click this project experiencer. You're going to click add new, and then you'll put in, let's say, 2019 market turkey. Go down through, it's an individual. All of you will have journals and finances. Hopefully, you make money this year. It's going to be animal systems, and then you click whatever. So his would be poultry, and head of, should change, head of turkeys, and then market would be what most of yours is, or you can have no module whatsoever. It doesn't really matter. Click save. When you click save, it will come up. So here is the one that I just put in, and I don't have anything put in there. So what I'm going to do is when I want to put journals in, I'll click the journal tab, and then you are going to be putting in time in your AET projects or experiences. You click on that tab. Well, one thing that you always have to do, you are going to be changing your date, things such as when you purchased your animal, when you had the vet check, when I came and tagged your animals, when I tested any of your animals. Those are type of things. You need 8 journal entries. So those would change. Make sure that you're putting it in for the market turkey, whatever one you're using, because some of you may have multiple ones. They like you to add a skill area. You can click on that. I think it will let you do it without putting that in, and that's perfectly fine. How long? A short little description. You can put pictures in it or not. Then the next one, which everybody been getting a lot of questions with this one, and I'm not really sure why. But when you're doing your finances, you will always be putting in your cash entries. So when you click on that, it will say enter. Most of you will just be doing expenses right now. Income is not going to be until after you sell your animals. So enter cash expense. When you do that, it says new expense. Let's say you got it from Tractor Supply. You choose your experience. This again, if I'm putting it in my turkey one, I put my turkey one. Choose the type, bought feed. I paid $25. I can put a memo, a little bit what it is. Purchase 50-pound bag. Okay, you can put what time it is. Save and enter. So you can go in and keep on doing that. You can go in and look at yours. You can look at all of them from 2018. You can go back and look at them. You can look based just upon your different types of experiences. So that's one way to do it. If you want to go back and check your journals, again, go back, view journal entries. Finances, go back, view and edit your financial entries. So these are ones from just 2019. So that is what you have to do and go in through and to complete it. If you're still having questions, shoot me an email, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And hopefully that helps you out a little bit. So good luck. July 27th is the due date to have your records in for FAIR. So good luck, and see you soon.